This video covers an overview of the collaboration capabilities of IBM Control Desk. In the first part of the demo, we will show the chat capabilities that help agents and users collaborate on incidents. The user Bob is able to initiate a chat request from the service portal. Bob is able to ask a new question or chat about an existing issue. In this case, he wants to get information on the email server connection issue. Once Bob initiates the chat request, he waits for an agent to join. This window shows the agent view of the request. When the chat request comes in, the user Scott is notified through the toolbar indicator. Scott is able to accept the request and begin the chat session. To illustrate chat, we'll look at the two windows side by side. Bob asks Scott a question, who pauses to review the issue. He's able to use the link in the chat window to review the details of the ticket. Scott notices that Bob is a VIP user, thanks him, then indicates that the request is under investigation and being routed to the appropriate team. He lets Bob know that he should get a response from the resolution team shortly. The chat is ended and Scott goes back to the ticket to ensure it is routed properly. He can also verify that the chat transcript has been saved on the ticket. We now have seen how chat is used in IBM Control Desk. Next, we'll see how users can collaborate on services. Bob is looking how to use the Amazon Public Cloud Deployment Service in order to deploy a new Linux system. He leaves a question on the service about billing to his department. At some point in the future, Fred sees Bob's question on the service and responds with an answer. The same pattern can also be extended to the knowledge base articles. This has shown how users can interact with each other in order to provide support to the broader community. The final part of the demo will illustrate how knowledge experts can be recognized. The dashboard shown here has been configured to add a new portlet showing the top solution contributors based on the article's effectiveness score. This information can be shared across the organization or directly linked to from the dashboard. As shown in the knowledge demo, the effectiveness of an article takes into account how it was used by self-service and how successful it has been for agents resolving issues. This completes the collaboration demo, where some of the features of IBM Control Desk allow for greater user collaboration.